Welcome back. My name is Kaushik and you are watching Kaushik's Everyday English. Today you are going to learn something very interesting, restaurant English. Many a times you go to a restaurant and either speak in Hindi or in your mother tongue. But say for example, you have gone out for a meal with your friends at a restaurant, and if you speak English, definitely you can impress your friends. So today's video is about restaurant English. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. The very first thing that you need to do before you go to a restaurant is booking. Now, what is booking? It is to ask if the service or the product is available only for you at a particular time. And how could you ask this? You could say, I would like to make a booking or a reservation for a table for a dinner at 7 p.m. My name is Kaushik. Or you can say, I would like to book or reserve a table for dinner at 7 p.m. My name is Kaushik. So, in this way, you can book or reserve a table for yourself, and you have to mention the time also. The next case is cancel. Now, cancel is just the opposite of booking. That is, when you don't want the booking or reservation made previously. How could you say this? You could say, I would like to cancel the booking or reservation I made for tonight under the name of Kaushik. So, in this way, you could easily cancel the booking or the reservation. The next case is people. Now, when you are asked from the restaurant, how many are there in your party? Now, over here, party doesn't mean celebration, but party means the number of people. You could say at that time, I would like to make a booking for so and so people. You have to mention the number. Say, for example, if it is 25, you could say, I would like to make a booking for 25 people. My name is Kaushik. Then comes the menu. Now, menu is the list of food and drinks that are served at the restaurant. Now, if you're a vegetarian or if you are a non-vegetarian, you may ask, before I make a booking, I would like to know what kind of menu do you have, vegetarian or non-vegetarian? So, in this way, you could make a query about the choice of food. Then comes the smoking or the non-smoking zone selection. Now, if you're a non-smoker, you could say, I would like a table in the non-smoking section, please. Or if you're a smoker, you can say, I would like a table in the smoking section, please. The next situation is area selection, window, inside or outside. Now, if you want to sit by the window, how could you ask? You could say, we want a table by the window if you have one. Or if you want to sit inside, you could say, I would like to be seated inside. Or if you want to sit outside, you could say, can you reserve one of your outside tables for us, please? The next case is availability. Now, this is a word that is used to ask if there are any tables that can be reserved or not. Now, how could you ask this? You could say, do you have any tables available this afternoon? Or you could say, what's your booking availability for a large group of 50 people for tomorrow at lunch? So, in this way, you can ask the question. Next is the booking time. Now, this is the earliest or the latest time that you can make the reservation. So, in this case, you could say, please reserve a table for me at 7 p.m. My name is Kaushik. Or you could ask, do you have any times available to make a booking for tonight? Or you could say, what time does the restaurant open this evening? So, in this way, you could make your queries in English regarding booking times. The next case is any special occasion. For example, you want to book a table at a restaurant on account of your wedding anniversary, or you want to propose to your girlfriend. So, due to that, you want to book a table at a restaurant. So, what would you say? Or what would you ask her rather? Now, say for example, in case of your wedding anniversary, you could say it's a 10-year wedding anniversary next month, and I want to see if you have special offers or arrangements before I book a table with you. Or if it's a case that you want to propose to your girlfriend, you can say, can you reserve your best table for Friday next week? I'm planning on proposing to my girlfriend during the evening. Can arrangements be made to have the ring brought to our table in a champagne glass? So, friends, this is for today. And if you like today's video, then I would request you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again with another interesting lesson for you. Till then, stay safe, love your family, love your parents, and love yourself. Bye.